What if you could answer your door without ever being there? Imagine never missing a delivery, always knowing who's outside, and feeling secure even when you're miles away. Let's talk about the Nest Doorbell battery. With crystal clear HD video, two-way audio, and instant smart alerts. It keeps you connected to your door, runs 24/7, offers features like motion detection, activity zones, and even familiar face recognition, so your home is always just a tap away. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Nest Doorbell battery with charging cable, mounting accessories, quick start guide, and safety and warranty cards. Want to grab the Nest Doorbell battery from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features? The Nest Doorbell can tell the difference between a person, package, animal, and vehicle, so you'll get intelligent alerts in the Google Home app about the things that are important to you. Chat with visitors through the doorbell, whether you're at home or away. HDR helps you see details, rain or shine, while night vision helps you see in the dark. See who's at the door on your smart display, or pair with smart speakers to hear when someone rings the bell. Or choose wired installation to get your existing chime. Specifications. Installation. Charge the doorbell fully using the provided USB-C cable before you begin. Choose a location near your door where the camera has a clear view of visitors. Make sure the spot has a strong Wi-Fi signal to ensure smooth video streaming. Use the included wall plate and screws to attach the doorbell securely to the wall or door frame. If needed, use the angled wedge for a better view of your entryway. Snap the doorbell onto the plate until you hear it click into place. Ensure the doorbell is securely mounted and positioned for a clear view of visitors. Test the video and audio to confirm everything is working properly. Adjust the angle if needed to cover your entryway effectively. Double-check that the battery is fully charged for uninterrupted performance. How to connect. Download the Google Home app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Tap the plus icon on the home screen to add a device. Choose Set Up Device and then New Devices. Select your home or create one to continue the setup process. The app will start scanning for nearby devices. When your device appears, tap it to start the pairing process. You may see a code on your device. Confirm it matches on your phone. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Nest Doorbell battery. See you in the next one.